ways, ways, ways. Noun. Definition: a method, style, or manner of doing something, an optional or alternative form of action. Example: I hated their way of cooking potatoes. Noun. Definition: a road, track, or path for traveling along. Example: number 3, Church Way. Noun. Definition: parts into which something divides or is divided. Example: the national vote split 3 ways. Adverb. Definition: at or to a considerable distance or extent, far, used before an adverb or preposition for emphasis.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.